फर्स्ट आमी तेका चिकालीम व्हेल्लो, चिकालीम हॉस्पिटलान डॉक्टरान तेका चॅक केले. बिफोर 15 मिनट्स ही चॅक द विक्टीम. देन तेजे मागीर ताणें सांगलें डेड डिक्लेअर केलें तेका. मागीर जेन्ना आमी तेजे म्हणल्यार जेन्ना आमी तेका चॅक केलें, तेजे हार्टबीट बीन चॅक केलें, लायटली तेजे हार्टानसून आवाज येताले. सो आमकां डावट आसलेले, आमी डायरेक्ट तेका SMRC हाडले. SMRC हाडून आतां ते डॉक्टरान डिक्लेअर आफ्टर चॅकींग डॉक्टरान तेका डेड डिक्लेअर केलें. चिकालीमान आमचो 1 वर वेस्ट जाला. इफ आमी तेका मातसो बेगीन हाडलेलो आसलेलो जाल्यार तो आतां उरतालो. चिकालीमान आमचो 1 वर वेस्ट जाला.
Two sons were playing in the sea today. One of the younger boy, he drowned and he died. It is very sad in our locality. But this is not the mistake of the children. They have no place to play. एक ग्राउंड आमचो आसलेलो तो ग्राउंडूय पाड पडला आनी भुरग्यांक खेळपाक मेळना. दॅट इज द रिजन दे आर कमिंग ऑन द बीच एंड प्लेइंग. क्लिनिनेस एक मेंटेन करना ते करना गव्हर्मेंट वा ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंटान घालूंक तो क्लिनींग करना. बट एटलिस्ट एक लायफ गार्ड दवरचो. आयज आमचे भुरगे धाकटे भुरगे खेळटा वा ट्युरिस्ट येता ते उदकान पांय बुडोवपाक वयता. ऑर दीस लेबर्स आसा ते केन्ना दर्यान पडटा, कितें जाता, थोडे तांकां स्विमींग खबर आसना. सो ते पडले ते बुडटा. सो मागता ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन और गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन एक लायफ गार्ड हिंगा दवरचो. MPTनी कितें तरी एक्शन घेवची. बिकॉज MPTचे कामदार आसता, तेवूय केन्ना कितें जाता. सो दॅट मोमेंट देर इज नो वन टू सेव दॅम.
This 13 years old boy was brought at Kotte Hospital Chikali and was examined by the medical officer on duty and declared as brought dead. Subsequently, the relatives of the deceased person brought the dead body to SMRC Chikali, and here also doctor on duty has declared him dead. Meanwhile, some people were of the opinion that in case that there was some lapse on the part of doctor of Kotte Hospital Chikali, but it is not so. And the medical officer on duty at Chikali Hospital, at SMRC, has stated that he was under pressure from the relatives of the deceased boy, and he told them if the boy was brought here 15 minutes prior, then something could have been done. So it was just misunderstanding.